How to make a video call on IMO. Want to see your friends and family? This guide shows you how to make a video call on IMO so you can see their faces and talk to them. First, open the chat with the contact that you want to call. At the top right of the chat, you'll see a video camera icon. Tap on it to initiate a video call. The call will be initiated and you can see and talk to the person. You can also make a video call from the Contacts tab. Just tap on the contact's name and then tap on the video camera icon on the profile. This will also initiate a video call. Remember, both parties need to have a stable internet connection for a smooth call. Let's try it out. You can also make a group video call on IMO. To do this, you'll need to recreate a group chat first. Once you have a group chat, you can tap on the video camera icon in the chat to start a video call with all the members of the group. You now know how to make a video call on IMO. Get ready to see your friends and family. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.